a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. Kids World. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
Hi guys, welcome to Infinity RG. Today I'm here to inform you something about spoken English and its importance. You know that English is considered as a very important language in this world today. To do so, I have arranged a spoken English course. Here is my beloved students, and they are Mr. Muthu and Mr. Sporso. They are coming one by one. Please dear, have a look.
Hi guys, good afternoon, nice to meet you. It's me, Sporso. I'm a student of class 9 at Sherbrooke Victoria Academy. I have 4 members in my family and they are my dad, my mom, my brother and me. My father's name is Muhammad Ali and he's a businessman. My mother's name is Shamsunar and she's a homemaker. My favorite hobby is reading books, especially I read science fictions and I want to be a doctor in the future. Please pray for me. And that's all. Bye.
Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Goodbye.